the entrance tickets I got the other day when me and Hamilton went to Disneyland, and I found it super cute. It says Zootizin ID card. I just thought it could be a good idea for making a fridge magnet. So I got myself this mini picture frame. Kind of like the officer's badge, really cute. There you go. It's almost 40 degrees today in Shanghai, which is like over 100 Fahrenheit. Bless you. And we've been out for some while, and now we are heading to a wellness and spa center, because I'm thinking to find somewhere that's indoor and that is kids friendly, and I just came across with that. We're going to spend the next several hours here. This is the locker room, which is nice and tidy. I just got changed. These are the buffet style of fruit. I'm getting myself some fruit. Blueberry and durian. I'm waiting for Hamilton because I can't take him to the male's bathroom. The durian's so good, so fresh. All the drinks, tons of selections, impressive. This is the reading room.